Hello and welcome back to the Spruce and Linen YouTube channel. I'm Janelle. Today I have a custom stripe weaving to make, so let's do this. So the last thing I need to do to finish off this weaving is to steam up the fringe, cut it all nice and straight, and then it's done. I like to clean up this as well. As far as steamers go, you can use any clothing steamer, mini steamer that you have around. These are really inexpensive, and that's it. And that's a wrap on another custom weaving. I'm really excited about the way it turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.